Greetings guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your header transparent in the Wix website because we believe a transparent header can give your site a modern and sleek look, allowing the background to shine through. We've got you covered, okay? So before we jump right into it, if you are new here or not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below. And do not forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You're the heart and soul of our channel, and I'm grateful for your continued support. But before you make your header transparent on the Wix website, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now. Wix.com is compatible to all known type of browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. Sign up if you don't have an account yet. And once you've created your account successfully, all you gotta do is log in using your credentials. And you hover to your main dashboard. Okay. So when you are on the main dashboard, all right, all you gotta do is go to the Wix website editor. Okay. Once you are on the Wix website editor, okay, so you see here, this is the preview of your website. Okay. So all I gotta do is if you can see it right here, if you can, there's a header, here. All you gotta do is right click on that. Hold on. You see this change header design? All I gotta do is click on that, okay? And before we change the header design and make your header transparent in Wix, it serves a lot of purposes and benefits if you change that to your website, because a transparent header gives your website a modern and aesthetically pleasing look. It's a popular design nowadays that can make your site feel more contemporary. And if you have a visually appealing background or image or video that you want to showcase, a transparent header is a practical choice because it allows the background to take center stage, creating more immersive user experience. And by reducing the opacity of the header, you can make the header elements such as the navigation menu and logo more visible against the background, especially if the background is complex or colorful, right? Also, the transparent header can create a sense of space and openness, making it more pleasant for visitors to navigate your website. It reduces the feeling of clutter on the page. So, when scrolling down the page, a transparent header can provide a consistent visual element, ensuring that important navigation links are readily available to users at all times. It allows you to experiment with different design options. You can overlay the header on different background types, like images, videos, or even custom patterns. Transparent headers will work well with hero sections where you can have an impactful image or video at the top of your website with the header elements and gracefully integrated into the design. A transparent header can be used across various pages and content types, adapting to different backgrounds and content without clashing the overall design. So, in general, it provides the flexibility to customize your website's design to match your brand styles and preferences. A transparent header can set your website apart from others, making it more memorable and distinctive in the eyes of your visitors, right? So, all you gotta do is when you click on my headers here, you gotta choose the color, right? But when you check it, nothing happens, right? All you gotta do is a save for now, okay? Save and click preview, right? Okay. Since I am using white background, it's not reflecting. But remember, transparent headers can often be designed to work well on both desktop and mobile devices, maintaining a consistent look and feel. Also, remember, while transparent headers are trendy, they can also stand the test of time, especially if executed thoughtfully. and in a way that complements your content. Remember always that the decision to make your header transparent should align with your website's overall purpose, brands, and content. It's important to balance aesthetics with functionality, ensuring that the user experience is not compromised for the sake of design. Okay? Whether you have a portfolio, blog, e commerce site, or a corporate website, a transparent header can be adapted to suit different website genres. Okay? So, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Big thumbs up, right? And do not forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions, please, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. I read all of them. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much, really. And I'll gonna see you in the next video.